Welcome back. In this video, we're talking about something that will completely change how you look at money, the difference between assets and liabilities. The simplest way to break it down is this. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out of your pocket. That's it. But most of us were raised to chase the wrong things. We were taught to get a good job, buy a nice car, get a big house, and look successful. Nobody told us most of that stuff is liabilities dressed up to look like wealth. The car loses value the second you drive it off the lot. The house costs you every month in maintenance, taxes, and interest. The fancy clothes don't pay you back. Real wealth isn't about looking rich. It's about owning things that produce, businesses that generate income, investments that grow, skills that create value, systems that work while you sleep. That's the shift from consumer to builder, from spender to owner, from employee thinking to kingdom builder thinking. Proverbs 13:11 says, "He that gathereth by labor shall increase." Wealth that lasts is built brick by brick, asset by asset, with patience and intention. Here's a real check for you. Look at the last 5 major purchases you made. Were they assets or liabilities? Did they produce or did they just consume? No shame in the answer, just awareness. Because the moment we start asking that question before we spend, we start building different. Here's your action step. Write down one asset you can start building in the next 90 days. Could be a small business, could be a digital product, could be a savings vehicle, could be a skill that increases your income. Just start. In video 8, we're going to talk about the network that builds you because nobody wins alone. Let's keep going.